Thank you, Raina. Good afternoon, folks. My name is Que Pham, Dan for short. I'm from ONCODEA, and today I would like to introduce you to ONCOAI, a new way to screen for cancer early at an affordable price. So without a show of hand, I can assure you that every single one of us here has been touched by cancer, either directly or indirectly through a friend or a family member. It is time for more accurate, more accessible, and more affordable ways to screen for cancer. So right now, cancer takes too long to identify and too expensive to test for. Current screening option for lung cancer, for instance, is low-dose CT scan with potential harms from overdiagnosis, radiation exposure, and increasing costs. With OncoAI, we can identify the presence of cancer with 30% more accurate, non-invasive, that costs 7 times less. Our solution can detect cancer at all stages, using blood biopsy and artificial intelligence at a price you can afford. So as you can see here, all we need is 15 to 30 microliter of serum. We run it through our patent pending OncoAI system to identify different stages of different cancers. So right now, our prototype can differentiate lung cancer, breast cancer, and healthy blood samples. So you would ask, why us? We have a brilliant and international team of management, collaborators, and advisors with over 100 years of experience combined, with specific skills that complete each other. Global cancer diagnostic market is huge, with almost $120 billion in 2019, and it is expected to grow to over $188 billion in 6 years. So through 175 surveys, we have identified that 150 million people in the US would be candidates for our test. Our beachhead market is 75 million people, 60 years and older. And capturing 1% of the addressable market means $150 million a year in revenue. So with that, who wants to join us to solve an exciting and meaningful problem?
Thank you, judges. We have 1:45.
Can you tell us if the test is protein-based, genetic-based, both, neither?
Oh, we do have a slide for that. So here you can see it is the, we use molecular-based data. So on the left-hand side, you can see the bubbles for lung cancer in green, breast cancer in blue, and healthy in red. And the sizes of the bubbles identify the stages.
And so these are genetic signatures, in essence, expression patterns. Can you just tell us a little bit, I guess there's a bit of a resistance in doing general screening of the entire population, how you would get this effectively to market?
I'm glad you asked. I do have a slide for that. So here, we make screening easy. As we talk to numerous healthcare providers and physicians, oncologists, we have identified the least expensive pathway to commercialization through lab-developed tests. So an individual will see an ad online, and they can order our test kit that we send directly to their homes. Then they can prick the blood with the provided blood collection devices and have it contain the whole blood and send it back to our lab in a pre-stamped envelope for testing. We actually looking at different devices on the market right now. So can you see this here?
Yep.
So this one, it collects dry serum, and we tested the shipping cost for this would be like around $5. Or from this one from Tassel, and this device is just click on your arm and push the button, and the blood gonna be drawn into this tiny tube. And for this one, it's gonna be more expensive to send because we need to get to the lab right away. So it will be around $25 for shipping.